Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you all how to use Canva to design logos or presentations or social media post template, etc. So let's get started. So guys, taking you all to the Canva website. So this is where we will find the website. This is Canva. So what basically Canva is? Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. So clicking on the website, we'll go to Canva. So this is the first page that it will show you after clicking on the website. So basically we have to first log into the website, as I have already logged in. So this is what I have to do. So you can see here you can design your presentation, poster, logos, Instagrams, resume, videos, and a lot more here. So what you can do if you are a freelancer, if you want to do freelancing, just I have seen in my previous videos which requires no skills or knowledge. So in that case, you can come to Canva and design a logo. That there will be people who will be searching for someone who can do their presentations in a professional way, who can design their logos. So in that case, you can come to Canva and design their logos and presentations and it's completely free. So I'll show you guys how to design a logo first. So clicking on the logo, we came to enter page and it shows something like this. So here are basically the templates. In this area you have to design, or you have to select a template which you want to use. So there are a lot of templates you can select and edit. Not going too much down. So taking this as an example. Okay, this is a gaming logo. Like, yeah, if you are on Fiverr, if you do freelancing, there will obviously be some people who will be searching for some people who can make perfect logos for your channel. So in that case, you can use Canva and design a logo for them. So I'll show you guys how to design a logo. See, this is the template. You can delete it or add a different picture here. So I'm not going to change the picture, but I'm going to change the name. So I will delete it. So I have a friend who has a gaming channel. Yes, the name of the channel is Gaming Bud YT. So let me design a logo for him. So I clicked on text, add a heading. I'll add a heading right now. His channel name is Gaming Bud YT. So I will bring it down right here and select a perfect font for this. For selecting the font, you have to come here and select a font of your type. Like, let's select this. So the font is right there. Okay, that looks cool. So that's how a basic logo is created. Thus you can do a lot of cool things here, and a lot of you can add a lot of pictures, designs, names, and a lot of things. You just have to come and give it a try. So that's how a gaming logo is created. So getting back, I'll show you guys some other things. So you can do your presentations in a pretty similar way. You can design your poster, you can design an Instagram post for someone, you can write a resume for someone. So it's completely free. Like, if you are a freelancer, Canva is just for you. So in this way you can design, you can help people, you can help your clients. So in that case you will be able to help yourself with some money. So that's how it's all created. If you want to learn more, you can visit the Canva website and do your pretty cool things for free and start freelancing. That's all for today guys. If you like the video, please share it with your friends, and if it helps you, please hit the thumbs up button. Okay guys, see you all in my next video. Thank you.